Accreditation happens every 8 years at medical schools across the country. All schools must meet the standards to confer MD degrees. It's how we know our MD program meets or exceeds the standards set out by the Committee on Accreditation of Canadian Medical Schools. This extensive peer evaluation also confirms that the University of Toronto MD program graduates are prepared for their next phase of training. I'm Sandra, a first-year MD student at U of T. Accreditation is also an opportunity to reflect on and enhance our program and learning environment, something U of T does on an ongoing basis. Think of it like checking the foundation of a building to make sure the structure is strong, and taking care of any cracks that need to be filled. The Independent Student Analysis, or ISA, is an important tool in this process. It gives students a powerful voice to help evaluators understand the learner's perspective. By understanding our strengths and potential gaps, we can help staff and faculty understand what frameworks to build upon and what may need repair. Feedback from the 2011 ISA provided the blueprint for changes like more student financial support and the creation of the Office of Indigenous Medical Education. In 2019, their survey will give students a chance to weigh in on things like the new Foundation's curriculum or the Mississauga Academy of Medicine. Staff and faculty also have their own accreditation tools. The data collection instrument and medical school self-study also evaluate the MD program against the standards. We all play an important role in ensuring the MD program continues to stand tall. So, watch for the MedCred symbol and make your voice count.